In this video, I'll show you how you can make a good-looking Shopify store. A step-by-step video for you to follow and copy my blueprint of making a converting store. Following my steps, you'll have a better chance of getting more sales than 90% of people trying to dropship and their basic-looking online stores. Before moving on with the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is just go on Google and type Shopify. On Shopify, you want to sign up with your email if you don't have an account already. Then what you need to do is to create your store a name and you are good to go. So in this video, we'll be using a free theme and I'm going to go with Refresh Theme. While this is loading, we are going to create pages for our store. First, we delete already existing pages for us to start fresh. And now we are going to add a few pages. I prepared for you guys a copy and paste blueprint for pages which is free to use. Link is down below. First, we'll be adding a shipping and delivery page. Copy and paste from my blueprint to Shopify. Next up, privacy policy. Copy and paste again. Terms of service. Way easier to have this doc, bro. Without it would be a real hustle trying to find all this text. A returns and refunds page. About Us section. To write a brief About Us text, you can use ChatGPT to help you out. So, next, a Contact Us page. I usually don't put any text on that page. Only brand's email to contact and a Contact Us form which you can add customizing your Shopify store. And the last page would be FAQ. You have a few questions and answer there in the blueprint, but if you want more specific about your product, go on ChatGPT, he is always willing to help. After we are done with pages, we change the emails. By the way, if you want me to do a video on how to get a free email like this with your own domain, drop a comment and I'll make a tutorial in the future. Of course, add payment method like Stripe or Shopify payments. Do that on your own. Then what we need to do is to add delivery options. So what I usually do, create one zone for rest of the world. Depends on a product. Here I select international, and now we'll add rates. For one, we are going to call free shipping and make it cost $0. And I'll add one more, which is called insured shipping, and price it from $2 to $5, depending on the product's cost. Then you will have to purchase a domain for your store. You can search it here if the domain you want is available or not. After you see a domain you like, you will need to purchase it and it will be used on your store. The best domain is which ends with .com. Now what I want to do is to add the product we are going to sell. I found the product only on CJ Dropshipping, so we have to install the CJ app to our Shopify store first. After downloading it, we have to go on CJ, find the product, and list it on our store. Here it is. We click List, then select our store, create a product type. This part doesn't really matter, you are the only one who's going to see these types. Select your products you are going to sell and price them each. I price them at $35.99. Select the fastest shipping time and then you are ready to list the product. We listed it successfully. Now publish the selected theme and we are ready to customize it. First, you need to select your store's colors. Pick the main color you want to use for your brand. Make sure it will fit with the product. Accent 1 eye out the main color as well as accent 2 an outline button. Now for announcement bar, I write something like this to convince people to buy the product. Free shipping and 30% discount on all orders. Here I'm going to put black color. Change to background 2. For the header settings, we need to create a new menu. I usually put one where it takes you to buy the product. Then to track the order, I usually put Parcels app website. Contact Us page, and that's it. For the header position, I select middle center with this store because it just looks better. Now for the logo, go on Photoshop and cook something for your theme, with the colors your store has. Try different logos. Look what fits and what doesn't, and don't rely on one option. Make a few so you'd have some to choose from. Moving on with customizing our home page. So for this main page, if you don't have a picture that fits here, you'll need to go on Photoshop and make a picture like this yourself. I had to do it myself, and it turned out pretty good. Here I just put the name of the product, and down here I write a few perks, catchy words for the product. We'll need to add a few more sections here with image and text, 4 to be exact. This one will be with the text on the left and the image on the right. Section under this one will have to be opposite way this one is. And for copywriting, this is where you will need to use ChatGPT again. Add images you think fits here with the text. And try creating 3 or 4 sections like this one for the home page. Let's speed up this process here. So I've actually done 4 sections here. You can do 3, that's enough. Then what I like to do is to get a video of the product from CJ most of the times, upload it to YouTube, and make that the video is only viewable when the link is shared. Make a thumbnail something similar like this, or even better. Under the video, you want to add a future product section. This is where our product will be on homepage. Don't get scared if this whole text shows up as the name of the product. We are going to change it now. For this part, I usually write something like sign up to our newsletter for 10% of your first order and making it small, changing the color to background 2. Moving on to footer menu, choose accent 1 color. Now we'll need to create a menu for footer sections. Just add the pages we already prepared, like shipping and delivery, terms of service, privacy policy, about us, and refunds page. Now to delete the Powered by Shopify mark, you'll have to go to Online Store, then Theme Content, and just type in Powered by Shopify and boom, here it is. Now we delete it and put space in here and here. We save and it's gone. Now to insert the menu, we did add a block here for menu and an image block for a logo. So the home page is done for now, and we are moving to our product page. First thing, we install GemPages app on our Shopify, because that's what we'll be using for the product page. Link in bio to install GemPages. Here we select product page, because that's where we are going top use GemPages. And you should see this view when opening GemPages. So first of all, we assign product to this template and delete everything here. Make sure to have a row with 2 columns here. Add image of the product. Insert title of the product in here. Put the price under the name. Insert a text block under the price because we're going to need it. And put image list under the main image. Now I added variants, but later on I'll change it to swatches. Sorry. We add quantity here and add to cart right under that. Make the title size 35. Forgot to put in compare price. Now we are good. Now for the price, make it bigger like size 32 and change the color to your main theme color. Make compare price a bit bigger as well and make it gray. For the text here, write a short description about the product, something similar to this. Make it bold 700, size 15, just edit as you think looks good. Now I see that something isn't right, and here I change it to swatches. Make them look good here. Line them in the middle. Correct some spacing here and there. Make buttons stretched. Add an image under the Add to Cart button for this badge. Then under the badge, we'll add something like buy and get a discount type of thing. Now we will add an icon list here at the bottom to type 3 or 4 advantages of the product. I like to choose this check mark because it looks the best in my opinion. Put on your store's main theme color and make them bigger. So now moving under the product, we have to add a new row and make it 2 columns as we did there above in the beginning. Add image to one side and a text block on the other side and make 3 of the same rows. On the middle one, change sides for image and text. Find videos and make them into GIFs, or just use pictures you think would fit here. For text here, you can use some help from ChatGPT again. Make the text look like this here. Bold important text parts and make 3 different rows like this. Next, we need some reviews, of course. Since we are trying to do everything free, we'll be using Judge.me reviews. Here you can import reviews from AliExpress or just write them yourself. Here I would like to change the starts color to yellow. Now on GemPages, go to Elements here and search for Judge.me reviews. Add it to our page. Here add reviews and in here add a star badge. This is how you can add a review yourself. Now it looks like this on phone, as you can see, doesn't look good. So this is what we are going to do. Now we double every row, go to visibility here. And one of the rows make visible on computers, and the other row make only visible on mobile devices. Do the same for all 3 rows. This is how it looks so far. Not bad, really. Don't forget, do add a discount code for anyone that signs up for the newsletter. And the last thing you need to do is to remove search icon on your store, because we are only selling one product. If your store has more than one product, then leave it, it's fine. Here we go to edit code, type in this, press on it, and go to the very bottom. Now type exact same thing I'm typing. Then save it, and it's done. The search icon is gone. So this is it. We did a Shopify store, now it's time for you to make some money.
I upload videos every Friday, so subscribe and click the bell, so you'll get notified when it's uploaded. Thank you for watching and have a great day.